Who is B related to A? E is the father of C. C is the uncle of B. A is married to E. Tika statement 1 akan niya. E is the father of C. Tiro E is the father of C. And C is the uncle of B. Hani tuan C generation huai je han B hi ongi ni angai ta a. So A is married to E. A is married to E. Hilaya mi engtiaron uncle nge ni anu nge apa nge achanga uncle kan shilava. Chuan ta hian how is B related to A ti ha kan sha dun tani hi lo shilo po ni ila how is B related to A chu kan sha theyan. B related to A achang hian D hi enge ni kan chiang chuang lo tiro kan chiang chuang lo ni chu bang chuan option 1 hi chu kan la thei lang sa phota. Next ha kan kalang A is the mother of C. D is married to E. B is the daughter of D. A is the brother of C. E is the brother of C. A is the mother of C niya. Then D is married to E hi chu kan la ziak thei lo. B is the daughter of D po kan la ziak thei lo wa. E is the brother of C hi kan ziak ang. E is the brother of C niya tiro. E is the brother of C. Swan D is married to E. Swan B is the daughter of D. B is the daughter of D. So tahang kan shi theitem how is A related to B? A gender aron siang to tiro B. So A related to B. A fa pa a fa. A granddaughter ti khat siang emem tani. Hi a fa pa I hi fa pa ve tho ne si hi fa nu nge fa pa zu kan she law ma se si u nau pa chu a fa ve tho nya. Swan number 3 option statement 2 chu chiang to statement 2 hi kan du theya only 2 is sufficient ti om 3 po hi en lo luang 3 na A is married to E who is the E is the father of D tiro C is the uncle of B tia C is the uncle of B kan jo thei lo A E D kan niya C le D en lang wat thei lo Subang, one can answer to only 2 is sufficient hi ni. Hi number 3 hi jo kher lo pon 2 hi kan nei to atiro 1 chu ni lo chianga. Either hi chu ni don lo chiang sa a chen chu 1 hi adik to lo wang. Both 1 and 3 adik lo sa pot. Only 1 ni lo nan a 2 hi tikhan elimination method mangin 1 le 2 kan chu achang khana ron swap thei boka. So one can answer to 2. Option C ni.